Now, a lot of people, they ain't gonna like this video, but the American dream is dead. D-E-A-D, dead. And what I mean by that is, bro, it'll have you dependent, employed, overly employed, asleep, and distracted. I don't mean that, like, some people, they still think the American dream is alive. And that's the one thing I ain't gonna never, I can't take that from y'all. If y'all think the American dream is alive, that's on y'all, right? That's cool. Some people, they make their 9-to-5 job work. They make their income work. They still feel like, hey, I make good enough money to where I can buy a house. I can retire at 65. And I'm not gonna come on here and argue with y'all and tell y'all that the American dream is not dead. But from the abbreviation I gave y'all, yeah, it'll have you overly dependent, overly employed, asleep, not woke, and most importantly, distracted. So let's talk about it a little bit today. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the car today, man. I just want to have a little rant session or whatever. He trying to go past me. I don't know what he got going on. But I'm having a little rant session. I'm in the car. You know what I'm saying? It's laundry day for me. I'm gonna go do some laundry. But let's talk about the American dream a little bit more, right? Let's start getting to some controversial topics on the channel. I want to get you guys input on some of these topics as well, because, you know, these are some of the topics that I have with myself all the time. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe, and let's hop straight into it. So if you are struggling to make some extra cash on the side of your 9-to-5 job, and you're trying to get your hustle on like your boy Reese, today's video is sponsored by Free Cash. You literally can run up some quick and easy money by just playing games on your phone, and just by clicking the QR code or going to the link in the description. They're gonna give you guys a free $10 just from even doing that. So go ahead, download the games, play the games, bro, and earn some quick and easy money. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description and go get your hustle on, my nigga. There's plenty of ways to get to it, bro. Back to the video. So first off, right, the American dream, let's talk about it a little bit more. So what is the American dream? Basically, the American dream is, you know, you go to school, you know what I'm saying? You go to school for 12 years, you get out, you go to school for another probably about 4 to 6 years, you go to college, you know, you get a nice degree, you graduate, you get a job, you work for about 40 hours a week, 40 years for the rest of your life, and bam, you can retire with a nice 401k, a nice crib. You probably got a household of 5 people, including you, your wife, and maybe 3 kids. Or you, your husband, and 3 kids. You know, the American dream, you know, it just solidifies or promises you, you know, security, job security, income security, you know, having a house that you can pay off at a good time. You're not in debt. But as we know, the American dream has took a big turn, because the average, let's talk about the average price of a house, right? The average price of a house right now is $500,000 to $600,000. That house that your parents was telling you, oh, that they worked for, like, sometimes we be really looking at our parents like, damn, there's no way my parents took care of 3 kids in a household, bought this big house with the same income. I know I can't be the only one, you know. Of course, that's why I soon figured out that, you know, the 9-to-5, you know, the American dream was dead once I realized that, you know, these houses are $500,000, $600,000 just for, and that's not even, this is middle class. This is not the house on the hills, this is not a house in LA or Miami, or, you know, this is regular entry level middle class houses, right? So one thing I want to talk about is, for sure, I'm not going to sit here and necessarily say the American dream is dead. I would probably rather say the American dream is outdated, okay? And the reason why I say the American dream is outdated, because as you guys know, I literally just beat the 9-to-5 about 2.5 weeks ago. And I realized something, you know, a lot of people, right? A lot of us, we chase income, and that is, let me tell you guys something. A lot of us, we tend to chase the American dream, little do we know it, and that is by chasing income instead of chasing assets. I'm gonna tell you why this is so outdated. You see, I'll be in these comments a lot. Like when I see a nice financial video on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, like I'll see like a lot of people, they be on social media, they be bragging and stuff. They be like, oh, I'm 25 years old and I make $40 an hour. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's great. By all means, that is great. I'm not saying that that's not no money. Like, that's money. Like, yes, that's bread, gang. for sure. But the thing is, though, the American dream puts you in that trap mindset of you're just chasing income instead of chasing assets. And the reason why I'm gonna let you know why that's so outdated is because if you chase assets instead of chasing income, like going to work for hella hours, trading time for money, it's like you get burnt out faster. I think everybody should get to the point where, yes, I get it, everybody cannot be entrepreneurs. This is not one of the type of videos that's saying, oh, leave your 9 to 5 or anything. I support the 9 to 5. I support it all day. You guys know I do. That's what I came from. But I feel like every 9 to 5er should have at least one asset on their side. If you guys don't know what an asset is, basically an asset is when no matter whether you're on your phone, no matter what you are doing, the numbers, they continuously running up, whether it's stocks, whether it's content creation, whether it's digital products, anything like that, where you're continuously making money in your sleep, right? So that's why I say that it's kind of outdated, because no longer, they don't, the thing that they want to tell you in school is they want to tell you that if you're not working, if you're not at work, then you're not making money. But like I said, with the people who are chasing income and they're just worried about how much dollar that they make an hour, those are the people, I'm telling you, they get left with the most regret in the end, if that makes sense. Because literally, you guys know you don't have to work as hard as you think you do. Like, yes, hard work, you always got to work hard in anything, but you don't have to trade all of your hours for hard labor and all these different types of things. And that is why I feel like the American dream is kind of dead, because we were sold this dream, growing up, that if we don't work hard, if we're not using our hands, or if we're not pounding on iron and wood, and we're not going to make any money. When reality, people are they're becoming so much smarter, though. Like, it's like you don't even have to do all that. Like, I'm sitting here chilling in my car. I'm chilling in my car, bro. It's a beautiful day. I'm talking to you guys, creating assets every single day for myself. Not saying it's that easy, but it's just a different game that we play every single day. There's a new dream. There's a new American dream. This is why I didn't necessarily say that it's 100% dead, but that's why I came up with that abbreviation, because there is a new American dream, and that new American dream that is now, that what we like to call today, is called value. That's the new American dream. That is the new way that you will be able to afford a house, have the 3 kids, take care of your family, is by becoming valuable. And the old American dream does not teach you to become valuable. It teaches you to be in worker mode, be in dependent mode, be asleep, be distracted. You're constantly distracted at your 9 to 5 job. You're constantly asleep at your 9 to 5 job. You're tired as fuck after you get off work, right? You're dependent. You're overly dependent. You're constantly waiting on the next paycheck, constantly. And you become so much of an employee that you no longer have a brain to think for yourself. So that's why I say the new American dream should be becoming valuable. And this is what I think let's push this. Let's push this agenda. Content creators, if you're watching this video, push this agenda. Regular people, I don't care who you are, push the agenda of becoming valuable, because this is what we need to be teaching our kids. Teach your kids to become valuable, and they will never have to worry about becoming broke again. They can go, now you can afford that $500, $600 house. Now you can afford something even better, because here's the thing, like I told you guys, you don't have to work as hard as you think. If you become valuable, you gain some valuable knowledge or a valuable skill, you're gonna get paid forever. Evergreen content, evergreen products, evergreen skills, hands-on skills, okay? Right? The ones that are really smart, who want to at least have the American dream, are the ones that realize you got to work smarter, not harder. The old American dream teaches you to just work, and work forever. And it's like you never get ahead. That's why so many people, they're angry. They're mad. They're angry because they realize, like, bro, I'm putting in hours and hours of work every single day. I still barely have enough to pay my bills. I still might not have enough to even move out of my mom's crib. I went to college for all these years. It's just the old American dream leaves you with so much, I feel like so much anger. And I feel like it's up to us content creators to educate, people who don't understand this process. I just feel like it's up to us. Don't even get me started on AI, the resources that we have. Like, oh my God, like AI is building so many businesses. AI is doing the work for everybody. You barely even have to think. You would be a fool. You would be a fool to keep believing in the old American dream when the new dream has already been built for you. You literally could be chilling and relaxing and sitting back. I'm not gonna say stress-free because everything is a little stressful, right? You're never gonna not be just completely not stressed. But there is just a new way of doing things. You know what I'm saying? Utilize AI, utilize, our resources that we have, bro. We got so much stuff that's going on in the world that our parents did not have. And it's like you guys want to keep putting yourself in this cap trap that, if I don't go to college, I'm not going to be successful. If I don't put up a 16-hour shift every single day, I'm not going to make a paycheck. All these different types of, cap mindset thinkings, right? So what do you guys think? Do you think that the American dream is dead? The old American dream? I'm not saying that it's completely dead, but I think that the old American dream, right? To go to work for 40 hours a week, 40 years and go to college and, get a degree. I think it's dead. Let me know what you guys think, man. And I'm not just saying this because I'm a content creator or anything. I'm just simply saying this because I've seen this since I was a kid. Like, I used to always see this type of stuff because, I used to always watch my parents, go to work every single day and still barely have enough to, pay bills, get things that they want, all these different types of things. And I used to just be like, damn, bro, like, and my dad, he went to college as well. Not major college, but he went to junior college. I'm just like, damn, he got a teaching degree and everything. I'm just like, bro, there is no way that the American dream is alive. There's no way. So let me know what you guys think. This is just a little rant session. If you guys want me to make another video about this, I will gladly. Like, I got yapping sessions for days, bro. Like, literally. I want to talk about all these controversial topics, because I want to kind of bring some more spark to the channel, make things juicy as well. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know I love y'all more. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Hey, skate.